up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the Air Jordan French Blue 12. Alright, before we get into the review, I do have to show y'all some shoes, of course. We have the Soul 3s. This video is already out, so make sure y'all go watch this video after y'all watch this one. And then we have these 3s. The Rare Air 3s. So make sure y'all go watch that video as well. We are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I believe we're at about like 700 something. So just less than 300 subscribers away. So y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing my content. Thank y'all for the comments. I do read the comments, so I appreciate y'all for commenting on the video and just giving me advice and telling me what y'all like and what y'all don't like. All right. Now we can get into the review. All right, y'all. So this is the box, just a regular box. The size tag reads white and French blue. I seen somebody say that I like colorful shoes. Not necessarily. I don't like all colorful shoes, but I just feel like a lot of these shoes are just so basic. Like these. I think they're nice, but it's just not a lot of character, you know? Like a shoe could be simple coloring, but have, you know, a little bit of character. And that's what I like. I don't like all colorful shoes. I said that. All right. As you can see, we have white and French blue color all around the shoe. We do have some red and some gray. So I'm going to show y'all that real quick. We have gray right here. This blue color is a bit darker than the last pair, the 2016 pair. The blue on this one is a bit darker than the 2016 pair, so that's the difference that I see so far. This is what the tongue looks like. This is what the back looks like. We have some silver eyelets. And then this is the bottom. The carbon fiber is red on the bottom. So, yeah. Like I said, simple shoe. It's a nice shoe. I do like the color. I really like blue. But it's just not a lot going on with the shoe. And it's like too many 12s, blue and white 12s that came out in a short span of time. Like the blueberries came out last year. And now we have the French blue. We just had the mellow 12s. Those were light blue and white. The shades of blue are different, but it's like, it's the same style. It's the same type of thing. The new generation don't really care about OG shoes, and since it's the same colorway, people are probably going to pass on these shoes. I don't foresee these shoes selling out. So, yeah. Like I said, it's a nice shoe, clean shoe. If you didn't get the blueberries or the mellow 12s and you like a more darker blue, I definitely say cop these for sure. But same stuff. Jordan, Nike, do better. Stop dropping all these shoes. That's the same. But I'm not sure if they're coming out in full family sizing just yet, but they usually do. These are coming out August 16th. It is a good back to school shoe. So I would definitely say for your kids. But pretty much concludes the review. Thank y'all for watching. We are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Keep subscribing. God, I've been saying this forever. I feel like I've been saying this for a whole year. But it's okay. We're getting up there. The subscriber count is going up. It takes time. But let me know what y'all think about these shoes in the comments. Which one would y'all rate? Would y'all go blueberry, French blue, mellow 12? That's probably what my order would be. So let me know what y'all order would be in terms of the blue and white 12s. All right, y'all. Peace.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The boy smell like